Hi everyone, we have here the BlackShark 3 and the BlackShark 4. Both are in non-pro variants and in global ROM. So we have been using the BlackShark 4 for almost 2 to 3 days now, and everything was smooth, everything was fine. And here are the top 5 tips and tricks we found so far. So the main highlight of the BlackShark devices, aside from the super powerful na processor ng BlackShark, are its unique designs and unique features, including ito ang magnetic levitation trigger. So let's start with the obvious one, kung paano mag-set ng shortcut sa master trigger, itong left and right or up and down na trigger. So para ma-set ang shortcut na to, activate nyo lang yung trigger, tapos may mag-pop up sa baba na parang icon. So i-click nyo lang yung icon and then it will, so makikita dito yung mga options or menus ng mga shortcut na pwede nating gamitin for the trigger. So para ma-set, drag and drop nyo lang yung preferred na shortcut na gagamitin nyo. So drag to the left if gusto nyong gamitin ang specific shortcut na to sa upper portion or sa left na gaming trigger, then click complete. So let's try it. Activate the trigger and then click once. So nag-activate po yung flashlight natin na shortcut. So the same process lang po ang pag-change ng shortcut and pag-apply ng shortcut both in left and right master triggers. Now, ang catch dito is that gagana ba kaya ang shortcut if naka-off yung display or yung screen? So, let's try it. Activating the trigger button, nag-on yung screen natin, tapos click once, di gumana, tapos click twice, gagana yung shortcut natin. So, let's check muna if paano i-assign yung specific shortcut if naka-off yung screen. So, punta tayo sa settings and then go to additional settings, then master trigger. So, makikita nyo dito itong screen off feature. Tap nyo lang, tapos turn on the screen off feature. So, basically, ang turn on, ang catch dito kasi sa screen off feature is that hindi po siya mag-a-apply yung shortcut if naka-off po yung display. So below nito is my up master trigger and then down master trigger. So itong 3 option both for the master trigger, up and down master trigger, pwede nyong i-apply. So ito, naka-off, i-off natin yung display and then reactivate natin yung master trigger and then mag-on yung screen, tapos double click tayo agad while naka-on yung screen, kasi if naka-off yung screen, again, hindi po gagana yung feature na to. The regular po na ginagamit natin to take photos or pictures is itong bilog na to na shutter button. Usually natin ang ginagamit natin to take photos or pictures. That is the first option. But the second one, we can actually use the trigger button to take photos and to assign shortcuts. So dito sa left na trigger button, inassign natin for the zoom in na shortcut. Si left trigger is inassign natin for zoom in, and while sa right trigger is inassign natin for the shutter button or for taking photos. So, paano gawin to? Punta lang tayo sa settings, itong 3 bars, and then settings. So, makikita nyo sa baba, sa lower portion, may master trigger up, and then may master trigger down. So, click nyo lang po yung drop down menu. Itong apat na shortcut na to or na option na to is pwede nyo i-assign either of the two master triggers. So, subukan natin i-assign ang zoom in and zoom out na shortcut. This is really very impressive because lalo na sa mga into photography na mga users natin is very useful and handy ang mga shortcuts na to. Parang bumabalik yung feel ng digital camera na may physical shutter button talaga tayo. So the third option for pag-take ng photos is that paano yung if naka-portrait yung pag-take nyo ng photo. So if kagamit kayo ng trigger button, lalo na sa baba, is parang medyo non-comfortable talaga, not comfortable. And then while sa upper or sa top trigger naman is medyo malayo. So ang gagawin natin is that gagamitin natin ang center. So what's in the center is the scanner po or yung on and off button ng device natin. So we can actually assign this as the shutter button for the camera for taking photos. Punta ulit tayo sa settings and then scroll lang at the bottom. Makikita nyo itong fingerprint shutter. So activate nyo lang po ito. So para sa mga music lovers natin dyan and sa mga audiophile, may additional feature po si BlackShark 4. Ito po yung lighting effect for calls and music. So paano po i-set ito? Punta lang tayo sa settings and then scroll down to special features and then makikita niyo po yung options for lighting effect for incoming calls and lighting effect for music. So pwede niyo po pagpipilian. So lastly is the option on how to activate the BlackShark space. Ito po yung isa sa main highlight ng BlackShark devices. So there are two options. First is that yung regular po na pag-open natin ng app ni Shark Space, may specific po na app si Shark Space na included. So the second option is by holding down the trigger buttons. So by default, naka-activate naman po itong dalawang options na to. But if in case sa inyo wala, para ma-activate to, puntahan nyo lang ang Shark Space na app and then open it. And then punta kayo sa settings, itong parang gear icon. And then basic settings, proceed to start mode. So sa start mode dito, makikita nyo po yung options na to hold down yung dalawang master triggers para ma-activate or ma-open yung Shark Space. So yun ang 5 tips and tricks natin. If nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for more videos. Adios!